Okay, happy Friday, everybody. Looking at gasoline futures, RB today, and um, what I wanted to look over is we have consolidation going on. Okay, we're pretty much moving sideways now. Look, you could say that we've got higher lows here, okay, and we definitely have stair stepping in place, okay, but we uh, did not break out significantly above the overnight high, which is this area right here. Now you can see that I drew my breakout line for Platinum 2.3 just above this, and we did get a breakout right here. So you're probably asking yourself, Dave, why didn't you take, we got a breakout, why didn't you take the signal here? Well, there is no signal here, okay? And the reason there's no signal plotted is because in the breakout tool, I have a tick offset value that's user defined. It's up to you to decide how many ticks you want for this to break out. I want a minimal of 6 ticks, okay? So we only got 4 or 5 ticks here, so it did not trigger a breakout setup. Okay, so it looks like we're either going to bounce here or we're going to break out. You can see I have the breakout drawn right here below. This was the overnight low, but this was just a little bit lower, so I drew it right here. Okay, so let's see if we're going to break out here or if we're going to bounce, and that's what we're waiting for this morning. Okay. Okay, so looks like we have a technical breakout. Let's just see here. 65.24 and the low 65.16. Okay, so there's 8 ticks there. Okay, so all right. So this should be considered a valid breakout based on the settings that I have in there. And so now we just need to see if this is going to retrace. Okay, it's going to retrace up, and if
RB
so,
trade alert.
does it give us a valid signal?
Order filled.
RB, sell signal 1.
Okay, so we're full. Go ahead and mark this trade up. And we have a little bit of slippage here. So we're going to have to adjust our targets by a few ticks.
Target filled.
Okay, nice, nice. All right, let's mark this. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, so we got our second target, and on the RB I trail a little bit differently than I do on the NQ or the Russell or YM. So we got our first and second target, and let's just see what kind of follow through we get. And you know, all risk is off the table though, so we're stress free at this point. We've got locked in 10 ticks, so yeah, let's see what kind of follow through. Looks like we're probably at the end of that run though, right? Because if you take your line and draw a line like this and look at the last run, then move it, you can see we've already extended a little bit further past. So guys, some of you have asked me why I don't trail right behind the bar close indicator, and this is a perfect example of why I don't do it. If I just come up, print a couple bars, turn around, and continue down, I mean, you see I have my last target sitting right here. I hate to get stopped out up here when I'm so close to hitting my target. So you can do whatever you want. If you want to trail right here, one tick above, but I'm, I don't know, 5, 6, 7 ticks above the bar close indicator, and this is a exact example of why I do that.
Target filled.
Nice, nice. Wow, that's a nice trade. Man, I don't think I've had a full boat all week. 40 plus 80 plus 180, 300 ticks. Nice. Times $4.20 for RB. Nice. 1260. Nice trade. I'm going to check my math. Yeah, 180. Nice trade. Okay, let's review. Okay. So basically this looked like consolidation to me more than it looked like stair stepping to me. Okay. I said that we went ahead and we placed our breakout trades for Platinum 2.3. We did not get triggered here. Okay. So there was no signal. I don't know if a valid signal would have been here regardless, but there was no signal. Okay. Then it turned around and we came and broke out down here. Now I got to be honest with you, it's not really that great of a breakout. Okay. I I love that it came up to the yellow line and gave us a yellow signal. Okay. However, I would prefer to see this break down more, come up and retest this zone, turn around and come down. Okay? Just an observation that I'd like you to understand. Okay? But nonetheless, it's a valid breakout trade setup. We got the signal, so I took the entry. We entered. We get a lot of slippage on RB, so you can wait for the bar to close and then place a limit order in the body here to get filled also. Okay, and you won't get that slippage with the limit order. The stop sell order, you will get the slippage. Okay, so we got our first and our second and our third. So this was full boat. Great way to end the week. So if you guys have any questions, go ahead and send me an email. I hope you understand the breakout trade, and I hope I'm giving you enough detail in these trades so you understand what's going on. Okay? Have a great weekend, and see you guys on Monday. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.